emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, southwestern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, Hancock County and northern West Virginia, northern Brooke County and northern West Virginia, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near Toronto, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This warning replaces the warning previously in effect. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Plant damage. Locations impacted include Toronto, New Cumberland, New Manchester, Tomlinson Run State Park, Wintersville, Richmond, Hammondsville, Wellsville, Bergholz, Salineville, Mechanicstown, Steubenville. Prepare for damaging wind, large hail and frequent lightning. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. This storm also is producing torrential rain and frequent lightning. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Stay inside and avoid use of electrical appliances. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at @NewsPittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.